In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Android phone to Visual Studio. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up any Android device to be used in conjunction with Visual Studio. To do this, you need to download additional tools that are available natively for Visual Studio. So open Visual Studio and at the top, go over to Tools. In here, choose the option to get Tools and Features. When you go to Get Tools and Features, you will find a bunch of options here that you can modify. And the one that you are looking for is going to be USB device connectivity. So you can use the search function or scroll down until you find it. So enable this option, make sure that it is ticked. With this option enabled, now move on to your smartphone and enable developer mode. If you already have it, then go into the developer options and look for USB debugging. If you don't have developer mode enabled already, usually what you have to do is go into the software information of your device. So you go to settings, about phone, and then software information. And inside of this menu, look for build number. Tap build number repeatedly, and eventually it is going to give you a warning that you became a developer. If you need additional instructions on how to enable developer options for your particular device, search for a manual or instructions on Google. Basically, USB debugging needs to be enabled. With this done and USB debugging enabled, you can go back into your PC. If you want to, you can connect your device to your PC already. And inside of Visual Studio, once again, go over to Tools, hover over Android, and then choose the Android SDK Manager. Inside of Android SDK Manager, enable the Google USB driver. With this enabled, under the Android SDK and Tools, apply the changes. And finally, now if you go over to create a new project, you will be able to find Android applications. So they are going to be available, creating Android phone and tablet apps with Xamarin. You can choose other options related to Android or smartphones as well. So you can filter them by mobile project types, and all of them will be available for you to use inside of Visual Studio. You can connect your phone and preview everything that you make in there. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Android phone to Visual Studio. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.